Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store. Something went wrong, try again problem. If you face something went wrong, try again error in Google Play Store is quite common and usually related to network, apps crash or account issues. Let's see how to fix Google Play Store. Something went wrong, try again problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Open your phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected or stable connection. Step 2. Turn on airplane mode. Wait 30 seconds, then turn off airplane mode. Step 3. Long press or long tap in Google Play Store. Click on Apps Info. Again click on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Again tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 4. Restart your device and simply open it. Step 5. Again open Play Store. Search any app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Play Store. Something went wrong, try again problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.